Hi, I'm Steven with Prewire of El Paso, Vice President of the company, founded in 1982. We're here to show you what we can do on a post wire for your house. Maybe you have a house with no attic or basement. Don't worry about it. We can get out there and show you how to do a post wire through the outside. We're gonna go ahead and take a walk around this customer's house where we actually went out and did a very nice clean post wire. We wire with Cat 5 burial, so you don't have to worry about the hot sun in El Paso frying your wires. We go ahead and use the burial cable, which is gonna take care of the sun, the heat. You won't be calling for a service call down the road in a year saying, oh, my cameras aren't working, my cameras are fried because of the wire. We'll go ahead and take care of it with the Cat 5 burial cable for you. You can see how clean and neat this Cat 5 is wired with staples up in the eave of the house. We can also punch through like you see in different areas of this house where we go up and fish it through the other side, pull it out and put a camera nice and neat. As long as you have internet, we can get you set up so you can view it live from your phone, full recordings. We have awesome cameras that do color hunter at night. So at night with no light, you can actually get full color and see everything firsthand, just like it's 10 o'clock in the morning. At this particular house, she's also being monitored by Prewire of El Paso, where we can do professional monitoring with police, medical, fire, dispatch. You get up to a 20% discount off your homeowner's insurance. Once again, if your house isn't wired for an alarm system, we can go ahead and get you wireless door contacts, wireless window contacts, touch screens, like you're seeing right here. This is our Qualsys panel that we can install for you. We also do wireless doorbell cameras with batteries. As you're seeing here at the gate, this is great for customers that aren't wired for a doorbell. They can go with the alarm.com battery doorbell. Right here is a Wi-Fi door chime. So when your doorbell rings outside at your gate or at your front door, we also have it where it will chime inside your house. It'll also ring to your phone. You also have two-way communication, so you can talk to the person that's at your gate or at your front door. From there, we have smart locks where you can just open the front door, let them in, say the neighbor needs to come in for something, they're able to come into your house, but you're fully armed, fully protected through Prewire of El Paso. If you have any questions, you can call us at 915-598-4937. We do free quotes at your house, so we can show you exactly how we would wire it and how we would install your cameras.